Hello, welcome to today's video. I'm still your boy and your business motivator. Wow, welcome to our channel, Business Motivation. Today we're gonna be talking about business motivation, and I'm gonna be teaching you 6 ways to get and stay motivated in your small business. I mean, this I'm gonna be teaching you 6 ways to get and stay motivated in your small business. So if you like today's topic, hit the like button, comment and tell me what you think in the comment section, and also subscribe to the channel. Don't also forget to hit the bell icon to get started. Now without much further ado, let's get in. So you've understand what business motivation is the other day, and in our last video, if you haven't checked the video, I will put the link on the video down below. So go and understand and watch the video. I believe it will help you to understand what business and what business motivation is. There will really explain what business is and what motivation is. Then we come to also join them together and make to your understanding, so that you have to understand what business motivation is. So today we're going to be talking about 6 ways to get and stay motivated in your small business. You know, we do start small business and sometimes we become demoralized and we don't know how to keep it going, because sometimes we look at our friends' business or we see other business. These business are too big, we want to be like them. But let me tell you the gospel truth. There is a truth that you must know. Sorry for the bad video. The real truth you must know is that they did not start it in one day. They started it, and with patience they grew it to where it is today. So you are just starting. So believe you me, you also have to wear a little bit, put in hard work, consistency and hard work. You have to work smart and work hard to also make your business to grow. So don't be envy and don't be too fast. You have to work fast, but don't expect that the result will come overnight. But meanwhile, these very 6 tips we are going to give you today will help you to stay motivated while you wait for your small business to grow. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number one way to help you get motivated is enrich yourself in a goal. You have to enrich yourself in a goal. You have to go and watch the past video or listen to audio or read books or some of those big businesses to know where they are, how they started and where they are. That will help you to feel motivated. It will help you to feel motivated, so that whenever you're feeling, you want to feel demoralized or demotivated, you understand that those business that are there before you, or those people that are aspiring to be or they are dreaming to be like, they did not just start in one day. They started somewhere and they have to work hard to be where they are today. So you have to enrich yourself in a goal. You have to set a goal. That very goal setting helps you keep going. It will help you to keep going even when the road is tough. But because you have a goal in mind, you will not give up, because you've not reached what you want, you've not achieved what you want, you've not acquired or get the main aim while you started the business. So with such a goal, you have the hunger to continue, or you strive to continue until you reach your destination, and your destination is success. Remember, why you wanted the business is to, why you started the business in the first place, is to achieve that very desired goal of yours, or to make profit. That is one. Then number two is relieve past success. So some certain times you have to let your past success to go. You have to relieve it, you have to let it go, because if you keep pondering over it and you compare it, your past success, with this very one, you cannot stay in the business, because you cannot justify it. The other business is paying you like, let's say, $50,000 a week, while this one you're still barely struggling to make even $500 or $1,000 in a week. You have no reason to succeed. You have no reason to continue. You will definitely want to go back to the other business, or maybe leave this one to crumble. But it's not done like that. You have to understand that that very one too take time. Or even if you bought the business or you inherited it, you have to understand that One thing you have to understand is that somebody worked for it, that it didn't just happen overnight or started being like that overnight. Somebody worked for it to make it what it is. So you have to relieve it and tell yourself the whole and nothing but the truth, that this is a new business. It don't have to be making profit now. I have to be the one struggling to keep it going, to make sure that the business survive and succeed, because you have to pamper it like a child, because when it survives tomorrow, you'll be the one to reap the profit and also take the credit too. So the third one is find inspiration in someone else. The third one is for you to find inspiration. That has come to what we talk about: inspiration, motivation. You have to look at the people that have already succeeded. You have to look at the big businessmen that have succeeded, the likes of Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, and many of them, Aliko Dangote, and other rich people. When you look at them, you feel motivated to continue going. You will find out that you've not reached your destination. That will make you to continue going, because you have to feel them, you have to look at them, you have to read their books, you have to listen to their audio, and also that will help you to get going. That is number 3. So before we go to the number 4, I still encourage you to like this video and subscribe to this video and subscribe to this channel, because we have loads and loads and loads of goodies for you in this very channel. Believe you me, if you follow this very channel, our intention is to turn you to the best business guru you can be. Yes, I'm telling you the honest truth, we will definitely do that. Number 4 is try a new approach. I mean, in your business, sometimes you may be doing some certain things or some certain advice you've taken from some friends, and you find out that it's not working. You are free to try a new thing. Sometimes do it your own way. Find out a new thing and do it your own way. Sometimes it may be the best, because you may not know what the other party told you may not definitely work. What worked for Mr. A may not work for Mr. B. Even though that there is no certain formula for success, but there are some certain things you have to do and change it. You must not copy the other person verbatim or everything he said. So that is number 4 for you. Before we go to number 5, I would like you to tell you what you think on the comment section. Tell us what you think of our video. Maybe that will help us to make a good more video for you. Like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And number 5 is find accountability. Find accountability partner. Find an accountability partner. So number 5 is simply saying that you really need a partner that is very, very, very accountable. So you have to go find a partner that is accountable, because that will help you to continue going. Because if the partner is not accountable, it's going to affect you in many things. You have to know your expenses, you have to know your income, you have to know your profits, your net profits, your loss, and you have to define your business goal. Is accountable partner, your accountable partner is the one that will help you and advise you and keeps you going. Even like the saying goes, when the tough business becomes tough, the tough keeps going. So the accountable partner will help you to be accountable and channel the business. You must have, things don't have to just come like that and go. You don't have to put money anywhere you see or spend it anyhow you want. Your accountable partner will help guide and advise you, so that you don't have to spend money, spend each dime, each cent, or each dollar that comes into the business, and to keep it safe. So that will lead us to number 6. But before we go to number 6, don't forget to like and subscribe to this very channel, because we still have a lot of goodies for you. Number 6 is psych yourself up. Yes, this is one of the important one, and if I must say, one of the most important one. You need to motivate yourself, psych yourself up. Your psych, you need to develop it. Yes, you need to psych yourself up. Make yourself believe that you're the best. Make yourself believe that you're not the worst, that you're better. Those people are making it, they are not much better than you. They just have the opportunity. You've come and believe that the market is waiting for you to come and take your share of the market. Yes, the market is definitely waiting for you. So you have to psych yourself up and believe, stand up and believe and tell yourself, yes, This is it. I'm now in the market. If everyone is making it, I'll definitely make it. I'm not gonna be a loser. I'm gonna stay motivated. No matter what happens, I'll be the last person to back out of this very business, because I'm here to make it and only to make it. Yes, that is the number 6 for you, and that has come to the end of our 6 tips you need to motivate yourself to keep yourself in your small business. Yes, just let me go through it, the rundown very well. So remember, our topic today is 6 ways to get and stay motivated in your small business. And number 1 is enrich yourself in a goal. Number 2 is relive past success. Number 3, yes, find inspiration in someone else. Don't forget to, because it is very, very, very important. And number 4 is try a new approach. Yes, always remember to try a new approach. Number 5 is find an accountable partner. And number 6, the last but not the least, is psych yourself up. So if you like this video, comment, tell us what you think. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and also like and subscribe to our channel. Until we come your way another day, our channel is still Business Motivation. Welcome and thank you.